Stop making these 3 basic mistakes if you're a pharmacology student. I'm Dr. Deepika Tikku and I'll tell you what these 3 basic mistakes are. The first mistake, studying pharmacology only during the exams. Pharmacology is such a vast subject, requires repeated revisions that there is no way by which you can master the subject or score well only if you're studying at the exams. Second, not doing enough revisions by writing, solving questions. That's the only way by which you can remember pharmacology and you can learn it better. Third, using mnemonics for each and everything. So if you use mnemonics for everything, there are thousands of drugs, hundreds of at least drugs which you're supposed to know. For everything you use mnemonics, you cannot remember the mnemonics also. So take my advice and do not make these 3 mistakes if you want to excel in pharmacology. Thank you.